So this week's challenge was to capture texture, and I thought it was very difficult to try and capture something that's rough or even smooth for that matter, but I gave it my best shot and came up with some pretty good photos. And this week we're going to edit a couple of them. Hey, I'm excited about photography and I hope you are too, so let's learn together. As was mentioned, this week was texture. I really don't know if this qualifies for texture or not, but I do like this photo. And we're going to have to edit this to make it just right, I think. To do that, first, as always, go over to the lens correction. We're going to get that lens corrected. And we'll do an auto from basic just to get a basic color layout. Doesn't look too bad. Make some adjustments here. Bring the shadows in a little darker maybe. Like that. And of course, we want to make this somewhere around a 16 by 9. And actually, yeah, right there. So on the thirds, we have the nail and the majority of the moss. Bring that in a little bit. That moss right there. Get rid of this little stick up here in the corner. Maybe, yeah, let's do some heavy vignetting there. And I think that looks pretty good. Quick and easy. This image is a concrete block that was pretty clean, but it definitely produces texture. There's no doubt about it. So we're going to go ahead and edit this one real quick. Same thing. I don't think there's going to be a lot to do as far as editing here is concerned, because for the most part this is pretty much straightforward little block. I don't even think we need to go. Let's go with medium. Done. And there you have it. That's texture. If you were to rub your hand on that, oh, hurt. Not really. It'd be rough though. So that's the second example of editing a close-up photo of whatever you were taking a picture of, I guess, in Lightroom. I have been having a lot of fun with the close-up shots, and this little texture challenge was kind of fun as well. Go in and edit this real quick, but I think I'm going to do something a little different on this one. And I was like a little darker, just a touch, clarity up. Yeah, that's about it for that. But here, I'm not really happy with the green swooping up like it is. First things first, bring this down here. And I might actually rotate this a little bit. And I want to try and get rid of that spot right there. It's not bad. I don't want the green completely flat. Obviously, you can't do that anyway. You got this one running through here. I think that'll work. Still got a little too much of that bark there, I think. Maybe bring it down. Something like that. Maybe a little medium vignetting there. And boom. There you go. 3 quick and easy adjustments in Lightroom. I like it. Okay, that's it for this video, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button. I post a weekly video, so be sure not to miss next week's video by hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell. Feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll see you next week.